talk to your people. Let me salute all of you. If you do for me, if you love me, I love you. If you push me, if you fight me, I fight you. The politics will be playing now. Not the one where you come there promise to people. When they vote for you, you run away. It will not happen again. It will not happen again. Remember, I came here and I told you, Sabiru Road we will do. We don't do it. I told you that this road, road and the suffer since. All people they don't promise that they run. It has ended. It has today, by the grace of God, by your prayers, by your support, it's a good place now. And let me tell you, the chairman have laid out what he should do. Let me tell you. Do your work on Saturday. Do your work on Saturday. And do the right ones for me. All those politicians where they can't talk stories, I'm not there. I want to talk and so I tell this man, I tell him, say, look, you have to vote for somebody who will fit up to me, and I will listen to them. You know, go vote for somebody. When I go left, they go right. You go front, they go back. I can get access. They come meet me. So, okay, this is my place, they back. I will tell them to go home. You will do that. This one is a rainbow coalition. Nothing like party here now. A rainbow coalition. That's why I come with our brother. Who's saying they run. I tell us who plays in the run. He's saying they run themselves to my brother. I will tell you the truth too. As he did now, I'm not going to win. What do you want to again? Let me take a man, talk to her. Let me tell her. Whether this way they see, you're going to continue or you're going to continue. From after there.
Your Excellency, the Minister of FCT, Barrister Yesowo, but the Famous Senator, and Executive Chairman, all other dignitaries present here. I am standing here as the flag bearer and the candidate of PDP in this coming 2026, February 21st, on coming Saturday, for the coming election. And by the grace of God, we are standing with our father, the leader, the mentor, who is not any other person than the Minister of FCT. I want to say it clearly that by the time I received a call that my leader, distinguished Senator Philip Maduda, needed my attention, and that he was directed by our father, our leader, Yendeba. And I said, if the Honorable Minister have directed and asked me to do this, then who is me not to do that? And when I look at my brother, Honorable Christopher Zaka-Mekalongo, in 2013 we were councillors together. When I was the speaker, he was my councillor. He became the executive chairman of Abuja Municipal Area Council. I became his supervisory councillor for works. And today, this is a family. This is a family fight. Never again to happen. And I want to assure you, the Honorable Minister, you have given me your words. And I'm assuring you that coming Saturday, even when you directed us on some conditions, I say even without anything, we will do your wish. Yes. Because we have testified the good work of Mr. President in FCT and the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And how did he do that? It's because we have somebody like you. We have never seen the minister who has done and is still doing, having too much fight, but we are succeeding. God will bless us. We will be there at every time to give you support. Coming Saturday, this morning, we are together with our party men and our stakeholders to address them on the key important thing because of this coming election that we must do. No any other person that may Kalambu. To make sure on Saturday, and by grace of God, I came here to assure you, my brother, God, by His mercy, will see you through. And by the grace of God, before I leave here, I want to assure you that with all the interventions of our friends, our leaders, our fathers, here on this ground, Your Excellency, I step down for the Kalambu. We don't collapse. And every vote will go to Mr. Makalabu. Thank you. Today, I will come back and thank you. I tell you that. You know what I said I do. Especially like what I've not do. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for welcoming my honorable minister, and I want to thank you once again for receiving us. By the grace of God, Saturday we will win this election. Thank you very much. 20,000 votes. You can count on us. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Honorable Jile Sadamu, the immediate
Vice Honorable Speaker Buhari Area Council, and now the PDP candidate Buhari Area Council. I'm standing here before you this afternoon to tell you that I have gone into a deep consultation with the Honorable Minister of FCT, and I will have come to conclusion that I and Joshua, we are brothers. And it will not be nice for two brothers to kill themselves over one reason. So as such, I have relinquished my support to Honorable Joshua. You see, Joshua, we are from the same world with Joshua. He served as a chancellor from 2026 and removed him from office from 2019 to 2022. So I wanted to remove him again, but I listened to my daddy. I said, let me leave him for now. So I want to urge you all that we should all support him to become chairman of Buhari Area Council. And I want to thank you and to thank you that may God bless you all.
Thank you. The people of Buhari, let me tell you why you should support Joshua. If you support Joshua, I will do more roads for you. If you support Joshua, I'll build more schools for you. Let nobody make mistake. On Saturday, look at come out. No sure say our brother Joshua and I win the election. And I will vote for him. 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 And thank God of God bless you.